In today's equity index futures markets, let's take a look at the S&P 500 future today as it's realizing a nice strong day today, a second day of strength, up about 1.25% currently, right around the 36.25 level. And if we settle in this range, what it appears that we will, then this will be a new closing high for that December contract. And when you look at some of the driving factors today, I think there's a couple things to point to. We did see some strength overnight out of Asia initially, then out of Europe. I think that helped to provide a bid under the S&P 500 futures. And then news breaking early in the morning here in the United States about, again, continued positive results in vaccines coming from other providers now. And with that news, it does appear that the market responded very positively to that, and was another catalyst why we did see this continued strength and this momentum higher today. And when you look at it from a trend standpoint, we are now seeing the S&P 500 futures, as I mentioned, basically at all-time highs. The index is at all-time highs after today's price action. And we're also looking at the Dow index pushing to all-time highs and the Russell index now pushing to all-time highs as well, taking out the August of 18 highs today. And so with that, we're seeing these futures basically at the highest levels that they have attained as well. NASDAQ still got a little work to do, hasn't quite performed as well as some of these other major equity index futures markets, but still up on the day. So we did see all the four major equity index futures markets higher on the session.